How to drive traffic to your squeeze page and build a list faster. Welcome back. In this section, I'll show you how to build a squeeze page and drive traffic to it. In the previous video, I talked about your audience having an email list. This is because your success in affiliate marketing depends so much on having an email list. Your email list is what will guarantee you make consistent income as you keep promoting. There are both free and paid methods for driving traffic to your squeeze page. The paid methods include Facebook ads, Google ads, other ad networks. For the free method of building an audience, the first strategy is social traffic. How it works is that you build an audience by making posts on social media. For example, you can go to Facebook and make a post like this. Now you've made a post regarding your offer. Now you've made a post regarding your offer. So, as people start showing interest and dropping comments, you click on their profile and drop a message for them containing the link to your squeeze page. So, when they click on that link, they will be taken to your squeeze page where they will enter their email address in exchange for the freebie you're giving out. The second strategy of building an audience free is blog commenting. How you do it is simply go to Google, then search Internet Marketing Blogs. Click on any of the results and go through the blog. One blog you can use for this as an internet marketer is Neil Patel's blog, Quick Sprout. So you go to that blog, read through any of the posts inside, then drop a comment. To drop a comment, you scroll to the bottom of the page and add your name, website, email, and comment. By doing this, it enables other people who visit that same post to click from your comment and come to your website. Another for building an audience free is through a YouTube channel. You can have a YouTube channel where you share free video contents, and in the description, you put your website link for people to click on. And you're building your list. You can use any of the strategies I've shown you here, or even all of them, to build an audience list for free. You just have to be consistent doing it, and before you know it, you'll have a huge list for yourself. So, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.